Hey there! Struggling to get your JVC Roku TV connected to Wi-Fi and ready to binge your favorite shows? You're not alone. This common issue can be a real pain, but don't worry, we've got you covered. In this guide, we'll walk you through how to fix JVC Roku TV not connecting to Wi-Fi, providing simple steps and troubleshooting tips to get you back online in no time. Step 1. Check your Wi-Fi network. First things first, let's ensure your Wi-Fi network is up and running smoothly. Start by checking if other devices in your home can connect to Wi-Fi. If everything else is working fine, the issue might be with your TV. However, if other devices are also struggling to connect, try restarting your router. Unplug it for about 30 seconds, plug it back in, and allow it to reboot. Once the router is up, attempt to connect your JVC Roku TV again. Step 2. Restart your JVC Roku TV. Sometimes a simple restart is all your TV needs. To restart your JVC Roku TV, navigate to the Settings menu, then choose System, followed by System Restart. This process refreshes your TV's connection and often resolves minor connectivity issues. Once your TV restarts, try reconnecting to your Wi-Fi. Step 3. Re-enter your Wi-Fi credentials. There might be an issue with the stored Wi-Fi credentials. To address this, go to Settings, Network, Setup Connection on your TV. Choose your Wi-Fi network from the list and re-enter the password carefully, ensuring you've typed it correctly. Be mindful of case sensitivity and special characters. Step 4. Update your JVC Roku TV software. Outdated software can also cause connectivity problems. Make sure your TV's software is up to date by navigating to Settings, System, System Update. If there's an available update, install it and then try reconnecting to your Wi-Fi. Up-to-date software ensures optimal performance and resolves known bugs that might affect connectivity. Step 5. Adjust your router's settings. If your TV is still not connecting, examine your router's settings. Ensure that MAC address filtering is not enabled, as it could block your TV from connecting. Additionally, try changing your Wi-Fi channel to avoid interference from nearby networks. Access your router's admin panel, usually through a web browser, and make those adjustments to improve connectivity. Step 6. Perform a factory reset. As a last resort, perform a factory reset on your JVC Roku TV. This step erases all personal settings and returns the TV to its original state. To do this, navigate to Settings, System, Advanced System Settings, Factory Reset. Note that you'll need to set up your TV from scratch after the reset, including reconnecting to Wi-Fi and re-entering app credentials. And there you have it. By following the steps outlined in this guide on how to fix JVC Roku TV not connecting to Wi-Fi, you're well on your way to solving your connectivity issues. Whether it's restarting devices, updating software, or adjusting network settings, each step builds upon the last to cover all potential problem areas. Remember, technology can be tricky, but with a little patience and troubleshooting, your TV will be streaming like a champ in no time. Happy watching!